Paano mo nagawa yun? Lupit ah.
Turo ko sa'yo. Gusto mo?
Oh. Game. Game.
Game!
Okay.
Sigurado ka, ah?
Oh.
Oh, ikaw, Big Bird. Gusto mo?
Hindi.
Workout na lang.
Yes.
Sorry pala, Tomas, kanina. Okay lang yan.
Teka.
Ano? Tagal naman.
Tara.
Okay. Let's go. Okay. So, medyo defense yung ginawa ko kanina kay Tomas.
Ah.
So, let's say, for example, ikaw offense ka. Okay? So, try mo kang hit.
So, kunyari ata.
Okay.
Ito.
You can block here. Tapos, kung kunwari, mag-jab yung opponent mo, go. Pwede ka magpari.
Ha?
And then, once nandito yung kamay mo, pwede mong i-grab, tapos ihatak mo. And then, once you're here, sa likod ng offender, pwede mong i-patid ng paganyan. And then, that's when you can do the choke. So, alam mo naman yung basic choke, di ba? So, make sure na nandito yung ano mo, talaga sa ating sapal, parang isa. And then, grab your ano here. And then, grab the
Oh my
hand,
God.
and then squeeze.
Ava, look. Why are her hands
So, make
all
sure
over my
from
boyfriend?
elbows upward. And then, here's the head, and then squeeze. Good? Are you good?
Aha.
Sorry, ah.
Teka, wait lang. Paano yung...
Gaganda, ganon.
No.
Okay.
Sipa dito, right?
Yes, pwede. And then,
Right leg.
mapapatid yung offender mo, di ba? And then,
Yeah.
yes. And then, go. Put your hand here.
Now your boyfriend's all over her.
Seryoso? Sigurado ka?
Go.
Wawa eh.
Mama si Tomas, ano?